Okay, today I'm going to show you how to get free ringtones for your iPhone. Very simple, very easy. Open up your internet browser, go to your navigation tab, enter in www.audiko.net. Here at audiko.net, this place is amazing. Type in your ringtone or whatever, right down here, say I want Alive with the Glory of Love, and it's right there. You just click Find Ringtones. For your iPhone, you want iTunes opened already. You would click on the link, preview it, make sure it sounds good. Sounds pretty good, so you would click download for ringtone, or for iPhone, right there. And it would end up popping up in your iTunes library, like so, right up here. There we go. Other than that, the site is amazing. All they ask from you is that you give them your email address. That's it. And really, I've had no spam from them yet. Nothing. I believe this site is amazing. Use it 100%, 5 out of 5, guaranteed.